Hi, I'm a Mac, and I'm a PC. Who the hell are you?
Well, what do you think?
Batman's nemesis? Frank Sinatra.
Oh, the tap-dancing penguin from Happy Feet. I'm Linux, you idiots.
Get the out of here.
Shut up, I'm awesome and you know it.
Right. So, what's your favorite game?
Well, I don't really like games, but
Oh, you edit movies then?
I don't, but
Excel spreadsheets?
no, but
Why don't you go and play with your servers, Linux? This is grown-ups talking.
oh, screw you guys. I gotta take a memory dump.
Mac?